Yeah, so that's one finish. Want me push you off to go forward?
Yeah, I push you off on.
No, man.
Yeah.
No, I'm not looking for.
The tears. Yeah, very nice.
Happy birthday to you.
No, me catch you. Yo, direct you. You know me pot where me I go put and cook you.
Welcome to Maki Lifestyle Adventures TV. Alright, today we're here in the back of my sister's home, and actually we're gonna make a raft. So follow me. We're gonna cut some dry bamboos right there. Can you see them? Alright. Me I go through the bush. Watch me I go through the bush. Watch me I go through Maka. Yeah, man, come out of nowhere. Maka, where you there, yes, sir? You can the day. Come out of nowhere. You can go over the fence. Maka, there, and make over the fence. And make another the fence. Me not have to go over. See them, my peeps. And the right there, so. You see it? All the bamboo, them, the right there, so we dry me. I go make a raft. Paper. Yes, my people, that is it. You hear that? Big up on yourself always for watching and supporting, you know. One love, man. Big up. Yes, my people, so today is the day. We got our tools, we got the bamboos. Yeah, right now I cut them, you know? Yeah, man. So we have a model right here that we're gonna work off. I think we need about 7 of them. Yeah, so we need that one 9 feet and 4 inches. Yeah, so we're gonna cut them off for that. So stay tuned and see what's going on. Alright.
Raising the vibration. And they used
So now we got those 9 by 4, 9 feet 4 inches bamboo pieces. We're gonna need some grass piece now. Place across here, like that stick. So I measured a while ago. I think this need only 3. Probably I put 4 there just for the strength. So I will go to the widest part. I think we're just gonna need a 3 feet piece would be good. 3 feet apart. No, 2.5. This is 2 foot. 2.5 would be great. Alright. Alright, so now rest this 30. I think this is good enough. Yeah man, so we need like 1 right there, 1 right there, 1 right there. So 4 of them I'm gonna use. Yeah man, so I make sure them smaller, I get 4 of them. Yes my people, that is it, you know, making a raft. So as you said before, yeah man, so we have been fishing here from the other day. We caught 5 so far. We're gonna fry them up and cook them up and let you see. So we have been fishing right here. So yeah man, we wanted the raft to go out there and clear the area so we can fish around the pond further down, clear the area to travel apart. Too much sticks in the way. Yeah man, so please to watch your ads, like the video, please to share. And whenever you watch the premiere, please to leave a message in the comment section. Thank you very much. One love. See you all. Love you very much. So we're back at it again. We are doing the raft right now. So we're tying up the cord and the rope and the cross pieces, you know. Yeah man, so it's a ready there. Oh, I'm me there to here. Maki from Maki Lifestyle Adventure TV. So Brady is one of the official team member now in Jelani here. Yeah man. So there, tie up card. Try and make one nice raft, you know, for going to the pond around this, you know. Trouble with the don't make it. So no. Yeah, so that's one finish. There's a Brady. On it.
Straight front.
That is it, man.
Put on this one. Put on another one. Put on another one.
All of them are the same size. Just that. Yeah, man. Same size. Only thing chiller when I have a belly. Good, man. We can cut some more. Yeah, cut some longer one with paper. Did they pan it? Stay. Out in the city where we going. Yeah, my peers.
Can't go too far. Okay.
I'm back. I'm back. Captain Jack is there. Oh, you have in your back pocket money? Your money in your back pocket so we can search it. I like the equilibrium. You have to push it backwards to go forward. Yeah, I like how you balance it, huh? Want me push it off to go forward?
Yeah, I push it off on.
No, man. No, not little forward. That's why you go a little bit forward. Cause guess what? Cause you saw the water. Yeah. Yes, peeps.
No, I'm ready. No, I took myself.
Successful raft, but look like when they have too much food, heavy.
Oh, you know, make sense. You know, I'm going to front you. Back here, what you go. I have to pay my friend and back on me.
Matters the button. I want to use your tall, peeps. Stop.
Come up more in a middle. In a middle, that's the balance. You drop my favorite too.
Yes, my people. Thanks for watching and keep supporting and thank you very much. Do your best, beat the best to be the best. One love. So me and Brady out here. We have to tell the people and Brady.
I tell you, so make a good try today, you know.
Yeah.
Or try again, I feel say when I work out now, I put on the next body pan, you see me?
Yeah man, that is it man. So,
Straight up.
so we're out here, the night of fall. So big up on yourself. One love, you hear that? Big up. Run this studio. Out time. I'm saying, I'm saying, cool music playing through the air. When reggae music touch you, you feel no pain. Cool music blow